Hello! It's Saturday, so it's pizza day. Ang pizza, naglalagay lang ako ng lettuce para naman maging healthy ang ating pizza. I add some leafy vegetable like this one, lettuce, and then meron din ako dyang pineapple. Ayan. So, masarap yung homemade pizza once na medyo healthy, diba? And then, meron akong dressing dito. Ayan, bitleg. Ibig sabihin yan is garlic. Ayan, garlic dressing. Ayan, lagay tayo dyan. Kahit pa paano. Oh, diba? Pizza with lettuce and garlic dressing. So, ayan. So, diba? Mukhang sarap naman itong pizza natin. Ayan. So, ready to eat na yan. Let's eat. Let's eat na mga lalabs. Pizza today. And thank you for watching.